For 30 years, Tomah Health, Hospice, Touch, and Life Choices Palliative Care has hosted the annual Love and Light program, where residents can remember a loved one during a special program. Due to COVID-19, there will be a change in this year's event. Hospice, Touch, and Life Choices Palliative Care Director Heidi Stalsberg shares information on the Love Light program during this month's edition of Health Check 360. Heidi, great to have you with us.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
So Love Light program, there's some changes this year, I take it. So can you let us know what they are?
Absolutely, I'd love to. So due to COVID-19 this year, we need to be safe and still provide that opportunity for everyone to have the opportunity to honor their loved ones that are no longer here with us. And also to provide that support that the service does provide to the community. So we will be having our Love Light ceremony virtually this year. We'll be videotaping it in December, and then it will be broadcast over our social media and our website, tomahhealth.org, during the week of December 14th. In years past, we've had two ceremonies. We've had a ceremony here in Tomah, and then we've also had a ceremony in Boston. So we will only have one ceremony this year. So that's a little bit different than in years past.
So Heidi, then how's that going to work for a person that wants to honor a loved one with a virtual ceremony? Can you walk us through some of that details of that person making that contribution to their loved one that's passed?
Sure. In years past, we've had this ceremony every year, so we still will have the ceremony. During the ceremony, hundreds of names are read out loud, so we will still be reading those names. We will still be having the opportunity to purchase a love light or a string of lights. So we will still be reading those names aloud during this virtual ceremony, so people will still have that opportunity. The love light order forms, like this, will be available on our Tomah Health website at tomahhealth.org and a few other places in town. A Phillips Pharmacy here in Tomah, and a few of the area's banks, Bank First, CCF Bank, and the Tomah Area Credit Union. So the order forms, we're asking that the order forms are returned to us by November 23rd, so we have time to prepare our ceremony. And the contribution for a single light is $5, and the string of light is $25.
Okay. And this is like a 30th anniversary of this program, is that right?
Yes.
So why do you think this program has lasted so long?
This program it is a very well received program in this community. I think the program is so important to people because it gives people that chance, again, to honor their loved one that's not here anymore. I get to hear my loved one's name read. It brings back that memory, it keeps that alive, and that's very important. People need that kind of closure, when they're dealing with loss, especially around the holidays. It's a tough time of year, and this year is a tough time of year. So we really wanted to still be creative and still provide that opportunity to have this support. And this kind of service supports a lot of people in this community. We really look forward to it. It's a beautiful tree lighting ceremony.
I'm sure it contributes to healing too.
It certainly does.
Where will the tree physically be at then? Is it in the...
It's at the hospital.
It's at the okay,
yep,
so
at Tomah Health.
Okay.
Yes, in one of our classrooms on the first floor.
Okay, and this will be the first year for it to be at the new facility, is that right, as well?
Yes. So this is the first year that we're having it with our new hospital, so we're so excited about that. So that's why we really didn't want to cancel that. It's kind of a double negative there, but we decided against canceling it because it's an important ceremony. The community looks forward to it, and we're in our new hospital too. So that's where our tree will be, and we'll still have our lighting ceremony, and we'll be able to broadcast that virtually.
So the production of this, the videotaping, is it going to be in a new venue than it's used to seeing, or?
It'll be a venue at the hospital.
Okay.
And if anyone has more information that they need, where would they go for that more information?
Yes. So additional information can be received by contacting our Tomah Health office at Hospice Touch at 374-0250. They can always give us a call, or they can look at our website, our Tomah Health website, which is tomahhealth.org, and look for Hospice Touch and Life Choices Palliative Care.
Great, thank you. Thank you for being with us, Heidi.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.